about guilt.
Whatever the topic is, just make a statue that represents the topic. Okay, we'll do one easy. The topic is hungry. And go back. The topic is love.
And she's like puts up her heart.
I was done that yesterday.
Yeah.
And go back. The topic is hatred.
Oh girl.
Give us some, Nick. Come on. Hatred.
Alice looks mad. She's just like I'm sorry.
Let's go back. Topic is movies.
You're supposed to freeze, Alice.
Okay, freeze. Remember, it's statues.
So she goes slower.
Oh, take pictures?
Oh no, I'm putting it on YouTube.
Oh, no.
You should have put yesterday's on YouTube.
I did. I started recording it too late, like right after the whole like lesbian sister thing.
The beach.
She did the Baywatch.